Hello and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to give some useless advice for some people. I was out at the store, got back from the grocery store. It's 100 degrees outside, and I'm drinking coffee. It's been a really interesting few weeks. The last couple of days, I'm worn out, but I wanted to make this a quick thing here. About cards, prepaid cards, credit cards, laundry cards, whatever kind of cards you have. Now, I'm not talking specifically about credit cards, because credit cards are, you either know the balance, know how much you got, or you don't. But your bank card, ATM card, which I never use. My bank's ATM card, I use specifically to put money in the account and to take money out of the account, or to pay the credit card. Everything I put on my bills, on my shopping, go on a credit card, and I pay that off, and I get cash back on a credit card. So that adds up. And I never give out my bank ATM card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard. I'm talking about the bank card, not the bank's standalone Visa, which is a whole different thing. There's a lot more protection on that. But see, if you use your bank card to pay bills or to go out shopping or to whatever else, if someone hacks into it or steals it or uses it, that money is withheld from your bank account. I mean, so until you can prove or dispute it, they don't refund the money for the credit until the dispute's over. And that could be months or weeks or more. If you use it for gas, and you only have $100 in it, or say you have $50 in your bank account, and you only want to put 20 in your car, use that debit card, ATM debit card, and it captures a specific amount above a maximum amount, like $50 or whatever, and you might not be able to get your cash unless you prepay it. So that's part of the deal. Now, let me save you from a quiet financial disaster. Never use your bank's debit card for purchases. Not for groceries, not for gas, and definitely not for subscriptions, utilities, or cable. I'm talking about the card that's directly associated with your checking account. That card is a direct line to your checking account, which means every dollar spent, every overcharge, every fraud attempt comes straight out of your real money. You put $30 of gas in your car, the pump pre-authorizes $100. That hole ties up your cash for days. With a credit card, it's just a temporary hold on your credit. Your money stays untouched. Here's what I do. I put everything on my credit card. I pay the balance from my bank account. I earn cash back on that credit card, and my checking account stays protected. No surprises, no holes, no drama. But really what I'm talking about now is all these other kind of cards you have. You might even have food stamp card or something like that. And I do. My dad does for him. And here's the trick to this. People get their receipts, and it shows your balance for your debit or your ATM card or your debit card sometimes. But for like EBT food stamp card, It'll show you how much it charged and how much you have left. Your balance left. And some people just fold this up and keep this so they always know it. But let me tell you a trick about that. Invest in these little Post-it notes. And then you stick it on a card. And whenever you make a charge on it, let's say, for example, this amount, I can X that out and put the new amount. And it goes back in the wallet. Instead of having to try to remember all the time, or to find those things, or to find some kind of note to yourself, do it this way. Just like that. You can also do it with a laundry card. You've got machines that require that. Any debit card, you can put down that amount, and that saves the data. On just a second, in the back, and really, I use these notes for a lot of stuff. Like I've got to go over to my Amazon locker, and I keep my card to get into my apartment's Amazon locker. I keep it in my wallet, and I can just walk up and tap that against the door, and I don't have to take it out. So this is an RTF protected wallet. It'll do that. It'll open the door. But then I also just keep my little note of what the code is to retrieve my packages. I don't have to do anything. Just stick it in there and try to remember it, or capture it on my phone or whatever else. These things are wonderful. Great notes for that kind of thing. I mean, you don't want them to leave them around all over the house, but that's just part of it. So, when you have a lot of cards and things like that, and debit cards and maybe whatever that have balances on them beyond the normal credit card, debit card, prepaid card, or food stamps, whatever, try this solution. Then you don't have to have this wrapped up in your wallet, so you got to check it. For me, I got to check it with a magnifying glass. This is to remind myself how much is left, because you can't just stick it in. Let's say you can't use the card and request the balance at the checkout for the groceries. It doesn't tell you the balance. It'll only tell you if you don't have enough money, but it won't actually tell you most times when it declines it how much your balance was. You gotta go figure that one out, or call the number or whatever. So that's my solution for you and everybody else. I hope it works for you, and see you again at another time. Boy, I'm hot.